Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created these beautiful pen flower bouquet for my office. You know, because we're manifesting clients signing for their checks, okay? When we didn't have the right to, this is what we came up with. And you know, when Nini was saying, the ghetto! Of course, you will need some flowers. I got these from a retail store. I originally bought some flowers from dollar store, and tell me why it died on me. How are you fake and you die? Someone please explain in the comment below, like, how you fake and you die? So I got this package from Amazon. It comes with a wire and different color tapes, and then it comes with the wire cutter, which is important because that's why my last one was ghetto, okay? Of course, you're gonna need some pen as well. And then what you do is you cut the flower wire right above where the pen ink starts so you can make wrapping of the tape easy. The trick to this tape is you have to pull it in order for it to stick. So you place it at the tip of the pen and just pull. You have to pull.
Oh God, please, no, no, no!
Child, let's try again. So you wrap it around the pen, pull, wrap around, pull, wrap around. If you don't pull, ain't nothing sticking, okay? So you have to pull, okay? Pull, wrap around, pull, wrap around, pull, wrap around, pull, wrap around, pull, wrap around. And then stop. Okay, now as soon as you get to the edge, just place the flower there and just wrap it around. You know, just wrap it around a lot because you want it to be tight. Okay, just keep wrapping it around. It's a lot of tape, so you know, wrap it around to make it secure. Okay. Once you feel like it's secure enough, just cut it and pull it again and wrap. I didn't pull it, but pull it and then wrap it. I didn't feel like it was secure enough, so that's why the tape is there. Get the tape and wrap it around again. And
oh my God! Wow!
made it to the end of y'all last pen, okay? You know what it is. Just pull, wrap around, pull, wrap around, and just pull and wrap around. Once you reach the edge, just add the flower and wrap it around again as many times as you can until you feel like it is secure. And there you have it, a flower pen bouquet. I ended up fixing the ghetto pen because none of my clients about to be holding any raggedy pens, okay? Look how beautiful that is. We did that. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you follow us on all social media accounts at Yuma Tax Services. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.